Gold's here. Come on. One more time.
Good. Hey, come on.
See? I think it's your first time, right? Is it your first time also? Oh, you have your girlfriend. Where is she? Oh, the one wearing red? Oh my god. Okay. So, is it okay to give you birthday kiss also? Huh? Oh, okay. Because I will give him, okay? Alright, give the girl birthday kiss also. Come on. On the cheek only. Come on. It's okay. Don't mind her. Okay.